Attention Wingham firefighters. Respond to 264 Edward Street for a carbon monoxide alarm. Has been going off for a week. Ambulance also advised. Time of your second page, 2111. Car 2, go ahead. Car 2 acknowledging page engine 1 to respond. Warning you responding unit to use universal precautions for that address.
So return engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 responding Bravo +5 belted. Could you maybe also see if OPP could attend this scene, please?
That's Roger responding Bravo +5 belted and requesting OPP. I'm not sure if you copied, just advising to use universal precautions.
I roger that, dispatch. Car 3. Yeah, go ahead, Car 3, Bravo. You need me to attend, or you alright? We're just going to be pulling up here on scene in a couple minutes here. I'll let you know what's going on. Yeah, roger that. We've been there a few times. Use caution. Yeah, roger that. Sorry, here in engine 1 is on scene. Bravo will be command, and command will be mobile. Fire dispatch, North here in command.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can show EMS on scene. Made contact with the residents. They are complaining of some symptoms. They have been saying detectors been going off for a week. So we're going to do an investigation.
Roger copied. Contact me with the resident, and they are complaining of some symptoms. Detector's been going off for a week, and you're going to do an investigation.
Here in command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show this resident as a duplex. We are asking all personnel to exit all apartments.
Roger, duplex, asking all personnel to exit the apartments.
You on command.
You're on the street on the first floor, do 0 reading, and now entering the basement. Check gas line and
Roger that. See for the first floor, 0 readings. Yeah, they were complaining about maybe the vent off the hot water heaters that they may not. Just have a look at that when you're going at it.
exiting.
Hey, that's you on command. Start you in command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show we have 0 readings through the front and back apartment. We have shut the natural gas off to this duplex, being we think there might be an issue with the hot water tank. Could you maybe get a hold of Union Gas and advise them that we have done that?
Roger, contacting Union Gas. 5-2, Wingham Command.
Go ahead, dispatch command.
I have Union Gas on the line. They've been notified of the issue there. Are you wanting them to attend?
Dispatch, I don't think they need to attend at this point. Just have them notified we shut the gas off. We're probably going to have to get somebody in to look at this water heater issue.
That's Roger. So they've been advised, and I'll let them know for now. They don't need to send someone.
Here, command. You can show OPP on scene.
PP on scene.
Command. You can show crew of 3 entering the structure again to do a secondary air quality check.
Crew 3 entering structure for second time for air quality check.
Command.
Go ahead.
You can show we have one female patient being treated by EMS.
I'm Roger, one female patient being treated by EMS.
Dispatch, right here in command, you can show she is being transported to the hospital.
Transported to the hospital.
Entry 1, command. That on 3rd floor, proceed base. Come in. We've done a second air quality and we have 0 readings through the entire structure.
Quality completed, 0 readings, 214830.
Engine 1, Bravo. Air Peel, Bravo. Right there in command. You can show we are doing a smoke detector check at this time.
That's Roger, doing a smoke detector check.
Command.
Go ahead.
Could I get a timestamp for the occurrence of this call and a timestamp for the ending of this call, please?
The call was entered at 2109, and Your last time stamp for the smoke detector check was at 22:05.
Thank you. Northern Command. You can show command is terminated. Resident's been left with the occupant. Engine 1 will be returned to Wingham Station.
Copy, command terminated. Engine 1 returning residence has been turned over to the occupants.